स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. Heard Shri Sudeep Harkoli, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Shri Madhav Jain, who has appeared by caveat on behalf of the sole respondent. Stop. Since both the parties are present, with the consent of learned counsel for the parties, this writ petition is being decided finally today itself. Stop. Para 2 dot. By means of this writ petition, the petitioner assailed the order dated 12/7/2013 passed by the Additional District Judge, Court number 16, Agra, in Civil Appeal number 12 of 2012, Raghu Nandan Prasad Sharma versus Rameshwar Prasad and others. Stop. By the said order, the amendment application paper number 26 filed by the defendant appellant has been rejected. Stop. Para 3 dot. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the impugned order is illegal for the reason that the amendment in the written statement at the appellate stage was necessary, since in the suit for partition there was no determination by the trial court regarding the rights of the defendant appellant claimed on the basis of his tenancy over the premises in question. Stop. It is also stated that prior to institution of the suit for partition, the defendant appellant claimed to have purchased the property from the persons who the appellant believed to be owner of the entire property. Stop. However, when the plaintiff respondent had disputed the extent of share of the vendor of the defendant appellant, such amendment was necessitated. Stop. He states that in view of the aforesaid circumstances, the amendment sought for by the defendant appellant at the appellate stage ought to have been allowed, more particularly when the trial court had decreed the plaintiff's partition suit for possession and declaration of half share in the property in question. Stop. Para 4 dot. Having considered the submission of learned counsel, the amendment sought by the defendant appellant at the appellate stage was as quoted here under para quote 20-B. Stop. That in the alternative and without prejudice to the aforesaid and without admitting the plaintiff's claim, this defendant submits that the plaintiff has alleged that Shri Krishna Gopal Sharma, the original defendant number 6, was the tenant of the property and was paying rent to the plaintiff to the extent of his alleged half share. Stop. If this fact is found to be in existence, this defendant being the united son of Shri Kishan Gopal Sharma, is sole legal representative, and in that capacity he inherited the alleged tenancy rights. Stop. Having inherited the said tenancy right, he continued to remain as such, and unless and until the tenancy is determined in accordance with law, the relief for possession against him is totally misconceived and baseless. Stop. Therefore, the plaintiff in no case is entitled to claim the relief of actual possession even for the half share against this defendant, and the suit for this relief is liable to be dismissed. Stop. Decode para 5 dot. In the amendment application, it was pleaded that the predecessor in interest of the defendant appellant was a tenant of the property in question and was paying rent to the plaintiff. Stop. The defendant appellant appears to have inherited the tenancy from his father Krishan Gopal Sharma, and having done so, he claimed to be a tenant till his tenancy was determined in accordance with law, and therefore, he pleaded that the relief of possession against him by the plaintiff dash respondent in a suit for partition was misconceived. Stop over. तो दोस्तों ये 115 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन हो गया है, ठीक है। एडमिट कार्ड्स आ चुके हैं, अच्छे से एग्ज़ाम दीजिएगा बिना कोई प्रेशर लिए, ठीक है। नॉर्मल जाइएगा, डिक्टेशन लेके चले आइएगा, हाइप बनाकर मत जाइएगा कि सब कुछ तो हम कह चुके हैं पहले ही, तो बार बार रिपीट करना अच्छा भी नहीं लगता है। आप लोग समझदार हैं, अच्छे से एग्ज़ाम दीजिएगा। ऑल द बेस्ट सभी को, ठीक है। बाय बाय।